Good evening, welcome to anyindia.com news. In another update, in Agartala's Milan Chakra area, a tenant, backed by land mafia, is threatening retired Tripura University employee Kanti Rani Bhattacharya to sell her 2 crore-worth house for 7 lakh rupees. She seeks the Chief Minister's help. Let's take a look at the report.
In a shocking incident in Agartala's Milan Chakra area, tenant land mafia collusion has emerged. The tenant is allegedly threatening Kanti Rani Bhattacharya, a retired Tripura University employee, to sell her crore-worth house only for 7 lakh rupees. Bhattacharya, who is unmarried and without children, faces intensified harassment, with threats of worsening consequences if she refuses. The land mafia is reportedly backing the tenant, exploiting her vulnerable situation. Bhattacharya has pleaded with the Chief Minister for intervention and protection, highlighting the dire need for good governance in the face of such intimidation. Here it is what she appealed to the CM of Tripura.
দৃষ্টি আকর্ষণের জন্য আমি বলছি আমাকে যে কোনো সময় ওরা মেরে ফেলতে পারে উনি যেন এই জিনিসটা একটু লক্ষ্য করেন নাইলে আমি ওনার দ্বারস্থ গিয়ে মানে দুয়ারে গিয়ে
আপনি কি ওনার কাছে যাবেন
যেতেই হবে যদি না উঠে আপনারা না বলে আমি যাব
Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.